Hello everyone, I'm Aaradhna Soni. I'm Assistant Professor in Sage University, Bhopal. Today topic is single phase transformer in basic electrical and electronics engineering. So I deliver single phase transformer, how it is work and what is the transformer. So let's see. See, transformer. What is the transformer? Transformer is the passive element device that transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another through the process of electromagnetic induction. It is most commonly used to increase step up or decrease step down voltage level between circuits. If you talk about the types of transformers, the types of transformer is two types, that is step up and step down. So step up, that is voltage increase, and step down, that is voltage decrease. So move on the next slide. If you talk about the transformer definitions to other words, so basically transformer is a static electrical machine which transfer AC electrical power from one circuit to another circuit at the constant frequency, but the voltage level can be altered. That means voltage can be increased or decreased according to requirement. If a step down, so voltage is required low, and if it's step up, so voltage is required high. So move on next slide. So transformer. So here you see the transformer block diagram. This is a transformer. This is the primary winding. This is the secondary winding, or also say the primary circuit and secondary circuit. Primary circuit, the primary current, primary voltage, and primary number of turns. So IP, BP, and NP. And same as secondary circuits, secondary current, secondary voltage, or number of turns of secondary winding. So flux in primary circuit, flux with link to the primary winding as well as secondary winding. So how it is linked to the secondary winding with the help of the mutual inductance with the two windings, that's called the flux flow in the primary winding as well as secondary winding. The phi m is denoted by the stain of the mutual flux between a primary circuit and secondary circuit. And here you see the transformer components, that is the start to the conservator tank, breather, low voltage brushes, cooling tube, drain off, tank cover, and main tank. So this is the component of the transformer, of external component of the transformer, and this is the block diagram of the transformer. Okay, so how the transformer work, and what is the working of principle of transformer? So the transformer, the basic principle of the transformer is really simple. It's the work of mutual inductance between the two or more windings that allows the energy to be transferred between the circuits. If the principle of, if you talk about the work of the principle of transformer, so principle of transformer is basically depend on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which is that the magnitude of voltage is directly proportional to rate of change of flux. So if the flux will decrease, so voltage will decrease, or voltage will decrease, so flux will decrease, is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux, that is. So how it is a transformer theory, and how it explain and how it is work. So you can see here the primary winding of transformer and the secondary winding of the transformer, two windings of the transformer, which is supplied by the alternating electrical source, and the electric alternating current through the winding produce a continuously changing alternating flux that surround the winding. If another winding is brought close to this winding, some portion of the alternating flux will link with the second winding. As the flux is continuously changing in its amplitude and directions, there must be a change in flux linkage in the secondary winding or coil. So, a flux will linkage primary winding as well as secondary winding also. So, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions, there will be EMF induced in the secondary winding if the circuit of the secondary winding is closed, when a current will flow through it. This is the basic working principle of transformer. So let's see in diagram also, if the flux is if alternating source, if this is the alternating source of the primary winding, or this is the induced voltage of the secondary coil. So you can see the flux will flow in the second primary winding, and same as flux will flow in the secondary winding. So it's help of the mutual inductance of the flux linked with primary and as well as linked with secondary winding, or the law of Faraday's law of principle. So it's flux with link as well as primary and secondary is the called the mutual inductance, and EMF is produced in the whole circuit and secondary coil is closed. So this transformer is work properly and give the output. So this is the section of a transformer and how this transformer work. Transformer linked with the primary, linked with the flux as well as primary and secondary, and with the help of Faraday's law, EMF will produce uh, the whole coil in the transformer section, and after that the secondary coil and secondary section is closed, so current will flow the whole transformer and give the output, that is called transformer, and it is working and its work will be done. Okay, so it's done of the transformer section, single phase transformer, and how it is work. So thanks all for the uh, for the complete and for the uh, section of transformer. So it is done, and thank you all for the